What is up, guys? Welcome to Via Trading. Here we go over some technicals as well as some articles and provide knowledge and opinions on certain stocks. So today we will go over AMC. And as we all know, the stock market was closed today due to the 4th of July weekend landing on Sunday. So the markets are closed today. So I'm just gonna go over what I think will go on this week and how I think AMC will do throughout the week. I will also go over a post that I saw over on Reddit. Thing is a post that we all need, like we all need to see. So I will be going over that post. Also, I found this article about Robinhood and how I think they might be trying to do the same thing that they did back in January. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this chart analysis really quick. So as we see here, this is on the daily candles. So I'm just gonna draw this line of support that I see right here. Ascending level of support actually. So as we see here, we have about 1, 2, 3 touch points right here. So I believe tomorrow is a very important day for AMC because as you see here, we're sitting on this level of support that we have right here. And let me draw another line as well. As we see, AMC is really sitting on this pennant. And we have another 1, 2, 3 touch points right here. So this is a very important week for AMC because as you see here, we are really sitting tight on this level of resistance right here. But overall, I really think this is gonna be a positive week. So we might see it bounce back and forth around this range, around this $48 to $56 range for the week. But anything could happen at any given time. It might go under or break out like crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna go over this post that I saw over on Reddit. So as we see here, I feel like we need to really see this. And this is from user Cigars and Beer. Shout out to him. He states no dates, no time frames, no expectations. All DD leads to one thing: buy in the hodl. And that's something that's very true. We can't be putting dates and expectations on AMC. We just gotta let it play out. The only thing we could do is buy and hodl. That's really the only thing we could do. We gotta stick together until this whole thing plays out. Because we know the potential that AMC has of short squeezing. So he goes on to say, some of you may know and some may not, but in 2008, Porsche was buying heavy amounts of Volkswagen stock. When news broke that they owned over 30% of the company, some shorts started sweating. When it was revealed they owned 74% of the company, shorts covered their positions, which resulted in the current and still reigning mother of all short squeezes. And I find that really interesting because I really never knew that. I knew about the whole Porsche buying Volkswagen, but I never knew that they owned 74% of the companies, which was crazy. Any short would be sweating at that point because they really have nothing to do. They have a whole company, holding their stock, so they were just panicking. So I already find this article important because I feel like we really needed to hear that. It's all on us, on the retail traders to step up. I found this website called TradeGate, and this is like it's the market from Germany, which says the price of AMC. And as we see here, it was last 44 euros. And if we calculate that, we could see that 44 euros would be 52.57. So AMC right now is sitting at 52.57 over in the Germany markets. So I feel like this is a good website as well. Because there's many days where the stock markets are closed but opens in other locations. So I feel like this is a good website to look at. So now we're gonna go over this article that I found on Robinhood about Robinhood, which I think is very interesting. So the article is from CNBC and it's titled Robinhood says it cannot assure investors a meme mania won't hit again. So we all know what happened back in January with Robinhood and how they halted buying from certain stocks, especially GME and AMC. So as we scroll down here and see what it states. Robinhood said Thursday that the first time Robinhood restricted trading on its app during the GameStop event earlier this year may not be the last. In January, when an epic short squeeze erupted in GameStop stock, partially driven by retail traders, Robinhood shut down trading of certain meme shares due to increased capital requirements from its clearinghouse. Despite raising north of 3.4 billion in a few days to shore up its balance sheet, the brokerage limited trading of GameStop, AMC Entertainment, and other Reddit darlings. We cannot assure that similar events will not occur in the future, Robinhood said in its S1 filing to the SEC. So after reading this, it just feels like Robinhood really doesn't know what they're doing, or like really doesn't have any place in having a brokerage. Because if you're gonna have a brokerage, you have to be available at any point. I feel like Robinhood really has to do a better job, you know, and better prepare themselves for one of these situations, because it could happen at any given time. And if your brokerage can't handle a situation like this, you have no place in the stock market. If you're gonna halt trading again and stop people from buying, you should just end your company right there. Because us retail traders, we don't deserve none of this. Like, we've been played with so many times, and it's just getting out of hand, to be honest. So overall, it's just, we just gotta see how things play out, But the most important thing that everyone must do is, hodl. Because we know where this stock could go, and this could be bigger than the porch squeeze, to be honest. So again, we all know tomorrow's a important day for AMC, and this whole week, basically. The most important thing for us is, to see an increase in volume. As we all know, volume drives price action. And when there's more volume, there's more volatility. So that I'm really looking forward to this week. If you guys like the information I provided you today, consider liking and subscribing, as I upload videos every day and give updates as well. Thank you guys for joining.